The Saqqara bird mystery. The Saqqara bird is a bird-shaped artifact made of sycamore wood, discovered during the 1898 excavation of the tomb of Padi Imen in Saqqara, Egypt. It has been dated to approximately 200 BCE and is now housed in the Egyptian Museum in Cairo. Its purpose is not understood because of a lack of period documentation. The form most commonly used to represent several of the most important gods of Egyptian mythology. Some have suggested that the Saqqara bird may represent evidence that knowledge of the principles of aviation, but nobody knows exactly. Do you believe this is lost alien technology? This mystery will remain unsolved.